Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to view the recently deleted Instagram post and how you can restore the post. For this, go to your profile and then click the click this hamburger icon and then go to your activity. So here, this is the place to manage your activity. You can find this option called recently deleted. View and manage content you have recently deleted. So click this one and you can find all the posts that you have deleted recently. You can click the post and then you can click these three dots at the top right. You can delete permanently or you can restore. So once you have clicked restore, it will be available on your profile. So please like this video if this was helpful. Thank you.